that is her bloody name.
Alex!
I wouldn't blame you.
Bless you.
Hi, Mom.
It is?
Okay, ready?
And that is Leah. And that is Mariah. And that is Bethany. And that is Jessie. And we're driving in Cambodia. I love that song, by the way. Bethany.
Wait. Is it that loud? Oh my gosh.
I just hear it vibrating. Oh, I just hear her singing.
It's vibrating.
Yeah, it's out the window. And I've got a little Cambodian jelly candy. It's really good. Now I'm going to eat it.
I bought it, excuse me.
Whoa. Hey, Ashley bought
figured out
candy.
the reason why it's
Who bought
hard.
the candy?
Because
Who bought the
of all the
candy?
bounty.
Who bought it?
I did.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, you gotta leave it.
Okay, now we're going to eat spider.
You ready?
I'm trying to take a picture! Eat it! Eat it!
Who wants to bite? Oh, it's pretty good. What's it taste like? Tastes like chicken.
Alright, eat it.
Okay, let's see.
The leg.
Wait. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yes! No!
Yes.
I don't
Just
eat
one
it!
is enough.
Eat it!
Eat it. Eat it.
Eat it!
Oh, I really Go.
Just the leg! Eat it! Yeah!
He always jokes with me because I'm really going.
Let me see it. Oh yeah. Okay, it's filming. Yeah. Awesome. Okay, I've got a big spider, and I'm gonna eat. No wait, I'm gonna eat all the legs at once. See all those 4 legs?
Let me have this.
Wait. Okay, ready? Wait, I'm gonna eat some more. Okay, now. You ready?
Oh, I gotta get
It's
to this.
a real cricket.
That's juicy.
Alright, ready?
Nice.
Okay, I can't believe I'm doing this. I need to drink after.
Are you gonna eat the whole thing in one bite? Did you know that these are actually not legs?
I don't want to take it. Can you give it to me?
These ones are antennae.
Can you give it to me?
You're not gonna freak out and throw them on the ground.
Can I? Okay, I'm ready.
He's fine. Will he has bites.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, look at that beauty.
It's a live fire.
She's beautiful.